Hi, this week's letter focus is the letter E, and it's important when we talk about the E that we say it sound correctly. So sometimes the E gets confused with the I, but the E says eh, like in eggs. And we're going to focus on words that have E as the middle sound. So words like hen, h-n, or pet, p-et, pet. So those words have the E as their middle sound, but we're going to go ahead and review all of our sounds that we've learned so far, all of our letters, just as a quick review. Before we do that, first we're going to draw our E. To draw our E, we start in the middle, we go over, up, and then around. And remember the E says eh, like an elephant and his trunk. So the E says eh. The N says n. The B says b. The F says f. The J says j. The S says s. The G says g. The K says k. The T says t. The L says ol. The A says ah. The R says The C says k. The M says mm. The D says d. The I says I. The Z says z. The Y says ya. The W says w. The U says The H says h. The O says ah. The P says p. The Q says qua. The V says and the X says x. Okay, remember to review your letters and sounds every day. And remember to watch for and listen for the E in the middle sound in all the words that you're saying and the words that you're writing this week, because the E says eh.